Functional ability. Remember I said if you have pen and paper, write this down if you have questions. I love this. It's going to be a little bit nerdy, but then I'll make it simple for you. Functional ability, the health-related attributes that enable people to be active and do what they have reason to value. Reason to value, which is determined by intrinsic capacity, the composite of all the physical and mental capacities of an individual, the environment, and all the factors in the intrinsic world that form the context of an individual's life and the interaction between the two. What that means is this. I'm smiling for a reason. This is what it means. An example of functional ability. She was 84 at this time. Julio, I have so much to be thankful because of your class. The time spent on balance enables me to close my eyes and enjoy the shower and shampoo. You follow me? That's functional ability. That's what that means. So anything I do in my classes, what you do for physical activity, should transfer over to what you love to do in life. I keep it that simple. Is that a good thing? Playing with your grandkids, dog, cat, sparrow, whatever you got. You're going to catch on with my sense of humor. Right? It's okay.